Hey, welcome to today's video. I am so excited for this video because it's my favorite kind of video to not only do but to also watch. I love watching these videos. This is an unboxing. But really quickly before we get into it, I'm going to get you to do something that's really easy to do, and that is subscribe to my channel. If you could hit that red button down below, ring the bell if you want to be notified of when I upload videos. I upload weekly, and also give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so let's just get straight on into it. So I've got the box right here in front of me. So this is the box here. I ordered this online, so this is the box that it came in. Ooh. Came in the mail. So let's get into it. Just has some of this beautiful packaging. Oh, that's new. All right, so let me show you what's here in the box. So this is new. I haven't received this before in there. I think Flora, Gucci Flora, that's their perfume. It is. Oh wow, that's really cool. So they've included like a little perfume card in here. Which is really cool. It smells pretty good. It's not bad. It almost has like a men's smell to it. But I really like men's smell, so I'm not complaining. Alright, so moving along, we have the receipt that comes with it. So usually it's just, you know, the receipt, return, stock it, all that kind of good stuff. But let's get to the important stuff. And that is this beauty right here. I absolutely love Gucci packaging. I just think it is some of the most beautiful, elegant, timeless packaging, and it's just so classic and I love it. So in the box it comes with the Gucci bag as though you bought it in the store, and I love that the luxury houses do that when you order online. They actually send you in the mail, like, you know, the carry bag as though you bought it in a shop. That way you're kind of getting like the whole experience. I just think that's cool that they do that. Okay, so this is the beauty right here. I'm really excited to get into this. I'm excited to see this color. I haven't seen this item in person at all. So this is a true unboxing, and let's just go. Should I just slide that off? Is that easier? Yes, I'll just slide that on off and off the bottom. Oh, this box is so cute. So it's the magnetic closure, which we will open up. So pretty. I haven't even opened it yet and I'm already like, so pretty. Oh, I can already, oh my God, it feels so amazing. Why do they have to do that? All right, so it comes in the beautiful dust bag that has the Gucci on it right there. Drawstring dust bag, which I really like because I just feel like it secures the item in there when you're storing it. Oh, Gucci does not skip on their packaging, do they? Just beautiful. So the bag is also wrapped in packaging, which is just beautiful. So it's got some protective packaging on it there. Sorry, I just like took a minute. I was just like staring at it myself. It's beautiful. This color was what I was drawn to. I really want to see this color, and I just think it's so beautiful. This really kind of nude pink color, but it's definitely not pink. It's more on like that nude, neutral color, and I just really love it. It is beautiful. And then we've got the, oh, what's that? So we've got the strap here, which is also, not really sure what's going on there. Oh, I guess you gotta like take it off and put it together. So it's a strap. It's got the chain, and then it's got like the leather top, so it sits comfortably on your shoulder. But I guess you gotta like undo it or to take it in. Then there's the tassel here. Oh, which we'll take that right off, nice and easy. There's the tassel. Let's get into the bag really quick. So the zipper is actually a little bit stiff, but I think that'll ease with use. But I like that it's nice and sturdy. We've got lots of packaging on the inside of the bag too. Let's get in there. Oh, so it's got like a microfiber, like suede inside, which just feels very luxurious. You've got a pocket here, which comes with the responsibility book, which just gives you, you know, like the information on the bag and all that stuff. Well, on the care for it. Got your Gucci number there. It says Gucci made in Italy on the tab on the inside, and just absolutely stunning, isn't it? It's just, it feels so nice. So soft, oh, so nice. So this is can be worn crossbody or over the shoulder. Give me a second and I'll get this all off so we can take a good look at it. So it's got the adjustable strap there. I'm gonna have a little bit of a play around with this because I'm not 100% sure exactly how I will want it, but it's like a push in button. So you just push, if you can see, oh, pushed it through, and then you can pop it in there, and there you have it. Beautiful chain detailing here in like that. It's that gold, but it's like a rusty gold, if that makes sense. It's not like shiny gold. So glad that it can be worn crossbody. I love crossbody bags. If you have watched any of my other videos, you know I rave about crossbody bags because they're just hands-free and so easy to use. So I love that this bag is crossbody. Oh, I never told you guys what the bag was called. The bag is called the Marmont. This is the Marmont Small Matalassi. I don't know if I've said that correctly. Shoulder bag. I'm really pleased with the color. I didn't want a bright pink. I'm just thinking, does it say the color on here? I think the color is referred to as dusty pink. I'm pretty confident the color is referred to as dusty pink, and I'm really glad that it's such a neutral nude kind of color that will go very versatile, that will go with multiple seasons, different outfits. I'm also glad that I saw this because I am really considering getting the belt also in this color, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, all right guys, so that's it for this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Why not? Have a great day, guys. Make it count, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.